Okay, what we're looking at was used as a gun range. Those are fresh shots on the tree. They look like they were painted targets, and we're shooting quite a lot of rounds at these targets. Right here is the berm, and I'm directly looking at Parkland Bay. Yes, right over that berm. And those targets are painted high, and there were bullets whizzing into Parkland Bay yesterday, around 7:15. There's shell casings all over the road here. There's literally a box of ammunition. 9mm. There's reports also of long gun fire, and I believe there's some long gun shell casings up the road. So someone decided to do target practice here. This is the north. This is the west of the Everglades. This is the south. This is the east, towards civilization, where somebody chose to make target practice. Unbelievable.